Welcome to another episode. In this video, I'm sharing a complete method of how to add a winning product in your Shopify dropshipping store. So let's get started. So first thing first, in the first video, we will create the Shopify dropshipping store. We complete two stock of seven. So we design our store and we rename our store. Now we needed to add product in our Shopify dropshipping store. So add product in our Shopify dropshipping store. Now we click here in the product. Then we are coming here, browse product sourcing app. If you have product, now you add easily add to product. Because I have no product, I do a drop shipping. Now we added to browse product sourcing app. Now we click browse product source app. We are coming in this page. We are search. These are the company who provide drop shipping for Shopify dropshipping store. Now we can search CG. Now we search CG and we are coming here in a landing page. The first we need to create a account. Now we create some test. We use some test email. Here is navigate confirm our password. So now we needed to confirm our account. Confirm. So now we click let's save and username Zahid Khan 012 and first name Zahid Khan Zahid, last name Zahid Ali HN Khan. Phone number is 56. So this is the easy way we can integrate our Shopify dropshipping stores to here in CG. Welcome to the CG dropshipping dashboard. Now link my Shopify dropshipping store to CG, and for a product or essential item offering for sale, do you have product in your store? Now we click yes next. So this is just question we asked from CG. So product. So we needed to find product. For example, we are going some analysis what product sell very well in the market. So we are do some analysis in this market. This product add in seller in your store 2000 seller. So that one also is a 3905 people. We are going to some winning a product that sell very well, but also in the demand of the product. We click this one product, analyze in the market. So we are this product sale in the market. So this product sale in Amazon, KSA, Amazon, Timu, and Timu. Oh, so now Amazon is the best marketplace. We are going to show you how which is the price of this product in Amazon. Whoa, this product sell very well. It's only a 76 review. Oh, we are going to which means review or the customer. Some poor customer aren't satisfied from this product. We are going to some gap. Why this seller not satisfied from this product? And the tray was delivered with the pieces and cheap of it. It hard by steel black stock. Whoa, so amazing. We are review in the United States in 16 February 2023. How much seller this sell this product? Only well seller sell this product in ice mode. Today is the season of this product. If you add this product in our Shopify store, then we are amazing. I like it. Identify the perfect product. So this is the product you some demand in the product, and similar product is written out fire and we similar product. Now we add this product in our Shopify dropshipping store. So and we cancel. How to add this product in our Shopify store? I want to add this product in my Shopify dropshipping store. Now click list. Then we are going some setup price strategy. Now the price is the total dropshipping product is 17. Now we sell this product as a 25. and this one is for example is 30. This one is 20. So we needed to sell at this four variation. We not needed to list all variation. Now they take some time to list this product in our Shopify dropshipping store. So now we check this successfully will install. This product easily so the product is easily add in my Shopify dropshipping store. So now they take some time to show in my Shopify dropshipping store to complete my third stock of my Shopify dropshipping store. So this is the product in it in my Shopify dropshipping store. So now we click this one and save. So category product category is we suggest product category is food and embroidery. Yeah. So we add this one, and click save and will my online store save people. This is the first product now we add in my Shopify shipping store. The product is 20 SR. And now let's going to directly in my Shopify shipping product inventory. So this is the first product add in my Shopify shipping store and the listing active category and board beer and tobacco. Channel is two. Now we sell this product as to online store point of sale. What is the mean of point of sale in my traditional store? We link this product in my traditional market store. So thank you very much for watching this video and inshallah see you another video. Thank you very much for watching this video.